he's a baby.
Colors and promise.
Okay, I got a baby squirrel. Okay.
How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow.
This baby's home.